Today we're making squishy. That's my cousin's, and he's that's his. What's that? What's that, huh? Then that's all his sprinkles. And then here's mine. I know mine is better. And then this is mine too. And I like to think Granovitz, and that's his SpongeBob or whatever. I drew the purple part. He just drew the blue, and that's my squishy bun. Oh man, up in. Okay, that's my squishy bun right there. Then so that's it. It's not dry yet, so that's why we put it there. And this is the paint that we used. This is the paint that we used. Oh, so cool. We used Scribbles paint. Scribbles. Okay. And then we got these stuff from Michael's. Then we have this toothpick. But we put it back, but you could see the toothpicks on there. And then here's the view. Yeah, what is that? We need to go get that. Let's go. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.